Would you like to learn about the Metaverse projects likely to 100 to 1,000 extra money between now and the end of the bull run? The Metaverse and play-to-earn market is now worth $23 billion, and that combined with the NFT market is creating the most explosive sector in cryptocurrency right now. And this sector that have turned into 5 figures now is going into $2 million. Therefore, I want to help you to benefit from this type of sector, like is the Metaverse, and become an early investor in this disruptive genre of cryptocurrency. So let's go into computer and let me show you some projects that have got a huge potential. In today's video, I want to show you that since Facebook took part of the virtual world with the announcement of the Metaverse, there are so many cryptocurrencies on the gaming industry that have exploded over time, and in previous videos I have shown you some of the major key components, and in today's video I want to show you some of all the new cryptocurrencies that are going to appear on the market. And the other cryptocurrencies that I've shown you before, those ones are the biggest one in the market, but these cryptocurrencies I'm going to show you today and these games are pretty new, so there is a high risk. This is by no means any type of financial advice, but I just want you to do your own research, and I want to bring you some cryptocurrencies which you might find very, very interesting in the Metaverse. And you know, to be honest, I've been playing gaming all these years, you know, like since I was really little, and I've seen really the evolution of how it has changed from those games that weren't that fancy to games that are actually very, very fancy. And with NFTs as well, you can see that CryptoPunks have actually revolutionized the market. You can see that they was selling at Christie's for 69.9 million, you know, 16.9 million. So this is like the cryptocurrencies, I mean, what's called NFTs. Obviously it's part of the blockchain, so you can see that it's very simple, very straightforward, but it has sold like for millions and millions of dollars. You can see that behind Beeple's 69 million sale in March, like the NFTs have been exploded all over again. So I want to show you some of the cryptocurrencies I've shown you before, which is Ilium, that you can go and, you know, all I want you to do is I want you to come check the website and then look at the white paper so you can see what is their business model, and if this is something that will be worthwhile for you to invest in, you know. But it's very interesting that all these games will give you the opportunity to play games and earn, and this is what has really revolutionized the market, because everybody loves playing video games. So if you are gonna get paid for it, imagine how is that. This is absolutely amazing, you know. So one company I want to show you is called Star Atlas. This one I haven't mentioned it before, but as well it has got potential. Like say here, a grand strategy game of space exploration, territorial constant, political domination, and more. So you can come to a website and just click the trailer. Just keep in mind that these companies are very new. There's a lot of speculation about all of them, but some of them they might not survive in the cryptocurrency world. That's the reality. But I'm just telling you some that you could come and check out and see if it's worth, you know, for you to invest. Because if you make a good investment decision, then you could get, you know, very high rewards if you get early. So I want to show you another one which is called MetaGods.gg. So MetaGods, you know, is a game that allows you to earn, you know, for different type of stuff. So you can see MetaGods is the next generation to play to earn action massively multiplayer online RPG and epic NFT loot by exploring dungeons and slaying mythical monster. Brings along with you your friends from any metaverse and earn even more rewards, you know. So once that you get better and better at the game, you could get a lot of rewards, and you can see that you will be able to mint your own god character on the NFT, which is really interesting. And if we have a look at the current chart, you know, MetaGods is 0.5 and now it's on the downside, you know, but it has got like there's huge potential, you know, for this company to, you know, go up again, you know, once that the market recovers. You can see that the market cap is 291 million. So it's pretty small still, you know, but we'll see with time how it actually develops and if it's worthwhile for you to invest on. Another one is called Meta Strike. So Meta Strike is like, it reminds me to the Conquer Strike, where you could go and just be killing people. I've spent many hours with this type of game, and now what they do is like, it's free to play, you can play to earn, and you will be able to be trading NFTs. So this is actually great because you can choose your own weapons, you can sell your weapons, you can sell your gear, so it's something that you could really monetize. So it's very interesting how you could get the NFT box, you could open the box, the NFT equipment, the Metaverse of Meta Strike. You can come here and check it out. But it really reminds me to Call of Duty. It's very similar to Call of Duty, perhaps on the early stage, I will say. But you can see here the roadmap is pre-alpha release, quarter 2 open beta version. So here you can see all how they're gonna be developing, and I'm telling you, it's early still. So let's have a look at what's the market cap for this one, which is 0.4. It's at its highest, but you can see it has been having a great return over the last time, and it predictably could continue to grow. So it's a one that you should definitely check out and see if it will be worthwhile for you to invest. Okay, so another one that I want to show you is called Lord Arena. So Lord Arena, it will allow you to play different games. You can download it for your Google Play or download it for the Apple Store, and here you will be able to earn as well on the game. You can see here the different earn features, and you can see some evolution system, quest ranking system, PvP arena rewards, idle campaign rewards, and so on. So you will see here the roadmap as well. I really recommend you to come and check out the white paper, because that will actually give you more insight of the business plan, and you can see here the different heroes and so on. So it's very interesting. You can see all the developers here. So let's see how long they stay on the game and see if they want to continue growing. You can see here the lot of arena now is 0.03, is pretty low, but it's been at its highest over here. So we have to keep a watch for this market cap, because it's just 3 million market cap, but the game seems very interesting. And another one that I want to show you is called Belaya. So the Bellas of the Metaverse. Belaya is a metaverse unlike any other out on the market. It will allow users to immerse themselves in a universe driven by Bellas blockchain, where they can perform a wide range of actions, purchase and sell virtual pieces for online, outfit, hide, detail characters, and more. So play to earn tokens and NFTs, and as you can see here, players can build dungeons, earn crypto, and collect NFTs. The goal is to successfully raid other players' dungeons while fending off raids to your own. As true owners of their destinies, you will be able to band together and wild fight each other in the VP. So it's very interesting. As you can see here, more about the roadmap as well. As you go down, you can see the different rewards that you can get, and let's see what's the market cap. At the moment the market cap is 0.02. So it's a project for you to keep an eye on. It's just 5 million market cap, very low, very early stages. So let's see how it develops, and let's see how this keeps growing. And another one that I want to show you is called BitOrbit. BitOrbit is now on the down. It's a very interesting project, and you can see here as well the go to a website, and you could as well check the white paper. So I just suggest for you to come check it out and see what's the project about. But I find it very interesting. And another one that I want to show you is Wow Swap, which is now 0.14, and you can see how it's been the jump from February to now. So massive gains. Let's see for how long it stays. Market cap is 71 million, which is not a lot. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Different options, for different games that come into a market. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, just please give me a massive like, because that will really help for my channel to keep growing and keep bringing you the latest information in the cryptocurrency world. And if you want to know the foundations of our cryptocurrency and you want to find out more about how you can get started, please click on the first link in the description, because I will send you all the information to your email address. You have a training there where you can get started right now and be successful with it. So with that said, I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I speak to you very soon.